Hello students and aspirants. In this video I am going to teaching you rule number 10. Rule number 10 is very important, so concentrate. This rule number 10 says the action occurring in the past, but we talk about the action in the present. So earlier action we should mention in perfect tense and later action we should be mentioned in past tense. See this? When two actions occurred in past, the action which happened earlier is denoted by past perfect tense and the action which happened later is denoted by simple past tense. Earlier action should be mentioned in past perfect tense and later action should be mentioned in simple past tense. Understand? Example: the patient had died before the doctor arrived. The earlier action denoted in perfect tense. Had died. Past perfect tense. The patient had died before the doctor arrived. The latter action, the doctor arrived. Okay. Doctor arrived. Arrived is a past tense. We see next example. I had visited her house before she came here. Earlier action, had visited, past perfect tense, had visited, and latter action, came. She came. Came is a past tense. Earlier action, had visited, latter action, came. Latter action mentioned in past tense. I finished the book after I had returned from college. I finished the book after I had returned from college. Had returned is a earlier action. Had returned. Finished, latter action. The earlier action mentioned in past perfect tense. Had returned. Later action mentioned in past tense. Finished.